This hunk of shit is only 8 years old. And it's already broken. Last year, in July, when I got back from vacation, I had to replace the contactor switch in it. Then, as you notice in the videos I recorded a couple of months back, I replaced the hot surface igniter for the heater. Now the heater's not working now. I'm having problems with it too. And now, well, I had to replace the motor in December because the bearings are bad. And as of now, the compressor's locked up. Yeah. Only 8 years old, and both the condenser and the air handling unit is bad. I did some research on it. It's the same type of brand that makes central air units for mobile homes. So you know where the quality went for that.
It's a Nordyne. It's got brace bladed fan quality. It is just as good as the vintage ones.
Fucking piece of shit.